Hey everyone, this is me Sonam Prajapati and welcome back to my channel Teach Tutorial Now. So friends, in this video I'll show you how can you create oil painting effect, and you can see thousands effect in this app like painting effect, like imaging pattern and multiple effect you can see. I show you some sample. Friends, search here super photo effect and filter. You can see the app icon. So install this app. I have already installed, so I just open this app, and after this friends you will see how it looks. So you can create effect like this or like this. Here is a 1000 free effect. You can make your photo like this or like this. So I show you how can you do this. If I click on this, if I want to make painting effect, just click on the painting and upload your image. So I upload my image, and then friends I select this image and just you can crop here. Okay, now just click on the right, and after a few seconds friends the effect will be applied in your image. Look, it's looking so awesome. You can download from here. Just click on the save, then the image will be saved in your gallery. I hope you friends like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question or problem or anything you want, just comment me below. Hit the button like, hit the button subscribe and press the bell icon button. So friends, today's video now ends, and let's meet again with a new video. Till now, bye bye.